Good day, everyone, and welcome again. Be honest, did seeing Bernie Sanders at a DNC-sponsored event make you a tad giddy? I got a chance to watch him speak live at the University of Nevada, Reno, and that was awesome. But Sanders sharing the same microphone as Clinton was such a huge contrast that it got me super excited for the upcoming debates. Hashtag more debates, please. Compare and contrast are key to getting the masses to realize that Bernie Sanders is exactly what this country needs right now. Business as usual won't do it for the bottom 90% anymore. And Bernie Sanders is a direct threat to our current political status quo. Remember, doing the same thing repeatedly and expecting a different result is the definition of insanity. So I urge all of you to support something different. A few weeks ago, I promised a gentleman who commented on one of our videos that I would address his issue. And last week, I totally forgot. So here it goes. He asked, how do you expect businesses to stick around when we increase their already high tax rate, insinuating that we would force the businesses to operate overseas? And he also added that businesses already pay more than their fair share of taxes. My response is super simple and easy to understand. When I say I am for the top 1% paying their fair share, I don't mean increasing their tax rate. Bernie Sanders wants to close the loopholes that allow these companies to rake in record profits and still qualify for tax breaks. Ask yourself, does it make sense that the more money you make yourself, the less you have to pay to the nation that afforded you that privilege? In some cases, if you add in subsidies, their tax rates go negative, meaning the government is paying them to exist. As for these large corporations fleeing overseas, they already are. Didn't Burger King just change their operating address to Canada to escape taxes? So picture this. I run $1 billion business and the government tells me that, hey, if you create jobs and employ for this many people, you only have to pay this much in taxes instead of this much in taxes. I say, heck yes, I can do that. The government is thinking that I will take the money I didn't have to give them in taxes and create more jobs here in the US. But no, why would I do that? I already have the tax savings. Why not take that money I saved and expand my empire overseas where the labor is much, much cheaper? This way, I can make my record profits and pay a lower tax rate than the manager that I'm paying $80,000 a year. A majority of people agree with Bernie Sanders. If you work hard or not and earn a decent wage, then you should pay a tax to the nation that afforded you that freedom. Not try to escape paying your dues when we have seniors, veterans, and children going hungry and living in poverty. Bernie Sanders wants the top 1% to reinvest back into our country by paying their taxes, just like you and I do. Can you imagine the influx of revenue combined with Bernie's sound spending plan? Free education for those that want it, top-notch care for our veterans, the introduction of community policing. This could all be made possible with the election of Bernie Sanders. Bernie represents the end of an era which encompassed the decline of the middle class and frivolous government spending. Bernie Sanders represents the end of the business-as-usual style of politics, the end of cronyism. Bernie Sanders represents us.